In this video, we'll be talking about time frames, okay? So if you go to the top side right here, you can see the D, which is daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minute, 5 minute, all the way to the 1 minute, okay? Now this is customizable. You can choose whichever time frame you like. And what this represents is that if you choose the daily time frame, each candlestick, it's 1 day. So as you can see here at the bottom, like over here, you can see Friday 20th, Thursday the 19th, Wednesday 18th, and so far and so forth. Okay? Because we are on the daily time frame. So each candlestick is what? 1 day. Now, we do go to the 4 hour, you can see that each candle signifies or symbolizes 4 hours. So in here you can see 1400, which is 2 p.m. In here you can see 10 a.m. and you can see 6 a.m. So from 6 a.m. all the way to 10 a.m. this candle right here is a 4-hour candle. From 10 a.m. all the way to 2 p.m. you see that this candle formed like this. And then from 2 p.m. all the way to 6 p.m. this candle looks like this. Now let's go to the 1 hour. I like to use the 1 hour a lot to define the trend. I'll speak about it on the next video. But each candle means 1 hour. So then 16, which is 4 p.m. All right, 3 p.m. Then we have 2 p.m., 1 p.m., so far, so forth, right? Right. So right here we have the 10 a.m. candle, the 11 a.m. candle. So all this means is that from 11 to 12, this is the candle. From 12 to 1, this is a candle. From 1 to 2, this is a candle, so far, so forth. So then we go to the 30-minute, same thing. It's each candle, it's 30 minutes. So this is a 9:30 to 10, 10 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11, 11 to 11:30, so far, so forth. So the point is that each in here you pick the time frame for whatever you want to see. Okay, the ones that I use the most, I start on the 1 hour. This is how I usually get the trend. I'll speak about it later on, but the candlestick anatomy is still the same despite its daily or the 1 hour or the 1 minute or the 2 minute or whatever. So again, how do you define the candlestick? Let's do this example. It's green, so it opened here, the wick went down, went up, closed here. Now red candle following. What happens? It opened here, it went up, it went down, it closed here. We continue. Red candle. So open here, close here. Following candle is red again. So open here, close here. This is on the 1 hour. You go on the 30-minute, same concept. Red candle right here. It opened at the very top, close at the very bottom right here of this body. Following candle is red. Open at the very top, close at the bottom, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, and so far and so forth. But all you gotta understand is the time frames and the candlesticks are still the same thing, such as for whatever time frame you pick, the candlestick is read the same way. Okay. Now, of course, if you go into the daily candle, you're gonna see that big fat red candle right here. And then if you go to smaller time frames, you're gonna see the breakdown. Okay, so you're gonna see all these little 1 hour candles that represent the big daily candle. I hope that makes sense. So let's do the math, right? In a 30-minute candle, right? You grab two 30 minutes and you make 1 hour candle. Duh. So this 1 hour candle right here symbolizes these two 30-minute candles. I hope that makes sense. And then you keep going forward. I mean, you keep going backwards or whatever. So this is a 15-minute candle. Therefore, you have 15, 15, 15, 15. That makes an hour. Or if you want to do two 15s to make the 30, then this is how the 30 looks. This is how the 1 hour looks, and so far and so forth. Okay. As we progress through the course, you're gonna keep learning more. But ultimately, this is a game of practice because this is a skill, like picking up the piano, like learning how to play soccer, like all of that. You need to practice and you need to understand it. It's like an analytical game. Think about it like chess. Think about it like very strategic, right? But you gotta learn the rules and you gotta learn the fundamentals. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, again, feel free to ask.